Hi everyone, Justin here, and today what I want to show you is how to create a citation inside Google Docs. So here you can see I have a report I've been working on titled Unusual Animals, and I'm talking about such things as the liger, the pizzly, and the coma, I'm not sure, but I got 3 different things. So as a student, we asked them to create citations for their research. So you can see I've been doing this, and the way a student does this is while they're in the Google Doc, they can click Tools, go down to Citations, and you can see I've already created some different citations in here. Now, students can do this in MLA, APA, or Chicago. Now, the way this works is, let's say I need to cite this source right here, and this is the website I need to cite. So I'll click Insert, I'll click Add Citation. You can see I can pick different sources, like book or website, journal articles, new paper, a bunch of different things. But I'm going to pick website. It's going to come into it, ask the information that I need to have for this. Now, if I look at my article here, I don't really have an author. Looks like it kind of uses a fake name for that. So I could say, you know what, instead of the author, I'm going to put a corporation or organization name, and we'll say Metro. I'll put what the title of this is. Let's grab this guy here. Copy. Looks like the website title is the same thing up there. So we'll put that there. We'll add our publisher, which is Metro. A link. We'll copy, paste that into there. I can see what my published date is. It's luckily right there for me. So that's not too hard. So 6. And let's see. We got April. We'll put the year, 2008. The day that I accessed. So today is the 23rd. And actually it's April again, 2021. The short title. You could put a little short title in here. So let's say Joy. We'll just put something in there. How about Joy for World's First? I can hit Add Citation Source. What that does then is it actually puts it as one of my citations that are available here. I can see my other ones that are online. So the cool thing is, as a student's writing, if you are having them do in-text citations, I can click in a spot. I can see my little insertion point blinking. If I come over my citation, I can hit Cite, and there it is. So the same thing happened with my other ones that were across here. So I can see like the Turner and the Rafferty. Those are all different citations that I had. Now, when a student's done doing their report and they have all their citations entered in, let's go down a little bit. I'll hit Insert, Break, and Page Break. So I got a nice blank new page. I'll hit Insert Bibliography, and it created the whole thing for me. Now, if students need to make some tweaks to this, they're able to. If something kind of came across weird, it's something they can fix. If I could see mine came across the information that I need, and I created a bibliography. This one looks like it came a little weird, like for some reason it kind of doubled up on it. So if something like weird like that happens, it's still something you can edit to make it work. So kind of a cool little feature, something easy for you to use with students, especially if it's their first introduction into citations. It's a way for them to keep track of what they're doing and really easy to go. Now, at any point, they can always go back to Tools, Citations, and all those things are saved in there. So it really helps students keep track of everything as they go across. So that's basically citations in Google Docs. I hope you find it helpful and have a great day.